Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss the battery equivalent of the CR1216. This is a very common battery used in Timex watches, especially ladies Timex watches. You can also find it online under the name of BR1216 or even DL1216. But the most common name is going to be this one, CR1216. I am also going to leave a link in the description box below so you can go and check it out, even buy it. And as you can see guys, here on the table I have a bunch of watch battery types, so I'm going to make separate videos with each battery type and their battery equivalent so that you know what kind of batteries your watches are going to use. Now, if you found value from this video guys, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, follow along, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.